Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Girl on a buck. Wash the dishes.
Alright.
Chicken and curry and something like that, something and sell up! Sell up!
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Yeah, we got the money low up and load and the money a swing like.
From your head to your toe, head to your toe. Yeah, people, so today we're there in a Moneyville.
With another episode
of Sing the Lyrics.
I get money. Touch on the people. I fly bills we have to give today again. Touch on today the song
Street CRED by Skeng and Sell Off by Alkaline.
You know what the thing goes watching now? From your head to your toe. Get it to your toe. From your head to your toe. Head to your toe.
Which dance?
I don't know what's on the people. Remember like, comment, share and subscribe.
Every time,
every day,
every hour,
every minute,
every second.
How did you?
You don't know you come down in my channel.
Watch out, pick up Prince go over for the visuals.
Watch out.
Lord! Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe as we said before.
Yeah, people, drop OTP MOB in the comment section if you're new.
And drop, if you want more parts to this, drop a song where we can use to this.
Yeah.
And just remember, say, watch out, we hot. Oh, thanks for 22K on the last video.
And thanks for 20K subscribers.
Really blazing him because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people, so today what they are with?
Akim.
Why IG?
Oh,
Abby. Come on.
Yeah, people, so today what they are with?
Oshane.
May I have the same name, dog?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, God.
Queen.
Tish.
Maury.
What's on so today we are do? All 5 bills. So today we are to finish the lyrics and get money. So if you finish the lyrics, you get the 5 bills. Why you mask this up like this? This is so weird. Yo, no, wait, cameraman, look here.
It's big.
Look here. Yeah, so what going on? Alright, anyways. So the song we are used today is Street CRED by Skeng. You know that?
No.
Alright, the song we are using. Alright, how you go again? Chipper than chip.
Big like chips.
He needs some milk. Let's go again. Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Girl on a buck. Wash the dishes.
Alright. Check out my swag, you know when me I win.
Yeah.
That seller.
Yeah, seller.
You don't know the song?
No.
You don't know Alkaline?
Sorry.
Look, yeah, I know. Let me know that, friend. Why anyways? Tell them my IG again.
It's Pr3zd3nt Bazzle at G.
Watch out now, we have to finish the lyrics I get money, hold this. We are going with 5 bills, so what's your style? We are going to use, yeah man, you can check it, looking at your son man. Alright, watch out. So, chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish. So wait, are you pocketing money, sir dog? So now, chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Ratty gang, you don't know that. God no.
Have you sing it, man? Have you sing it to the chorus to win the 5 bills?
Go on again.
Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish. Ratty man, this, everything accomplished.
I'm just listening to that.
You man just listen to the song, brother.
Check out my swag, you know when you win.
Something to sell up.
No, go on, man. You have to sing it, forget it. Go on.
No, me no don't.
Check out my swag, you know when you win.
Something to sell up. Sell up.
Alright, go on. You don't know, yes.
Chicken and curry and something like that, something and sell up.
Sell up.
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Ratty man, this editing accomplished. Be a gun man, they are win a friend fish. They are the little boy, I think they win a day with. What dog experience? He needs some milk.
Yeah. What? No. You have to sing it to the chorus, me Jenna. Have to sing it to the chorus. Cheer to the chorus.
Not even remember it now.
You know, mate? I have the above.
God bless love.
Yeah.
I have the above. Peace, love. Yes.
Yeah, continue.
Sell off. Then Check out my swag, you know when I win. Cause it be touch every time I bring that sell off. Then for your head to your toe, head to your toe.
Let me saw the chicken and curry and everything about it.
Curry and chicken and wing. Airport and back the plane that sell off.
Yeah, go on now.
Then head to your toe, head to your toe.
Yeah.
Flow with a flow, flow with a flow. Stoplight, radio station. They don't do what we are doing with a weapon.
You mess up. Come on, 5 bills, youth. That's a style. People them don't know a tune, you know, but they don't know we not baboon, you know. That's a style of people. Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish. Walla. Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Walla, no go so far. Walla, no.
Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Yeah, we got the money up and load and the money a swing like. Yeah, it's we are say up to the time, you know the thing go already, you know. Yeah. Whole heap of money are flashing up. Money.
What's the people?
You see the money and the 50 and the $1 million Pr3zid3nt when you have the $1 million bill like this, yeah. Everybody have to also forget a thing, you see me? Yeah, that's my rhythm.
Chipper than chip.
Enemy of vanquish. Tell him say the little boy thing that we not deal with. Kryptonite and we not do the most fighting in the middle of the night. We make the place get nice.
What? Alright. Give me 5 bills. Give me my rated 5 bills. Check out my swag, you know when you win.
Something with chicken and wing. Something with chicken and... Yo.
Alright, people, watch now.
So I finish the lyrics of that song in order to win this, yeah.
So what if I not finish it?
You know I get it.
But you give me already.
No, man, I make your own and funny. Oh. You know why? The money we are talking about. What's that now? Chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Ratty man, this everything accomplished. Be a gunman, they are win a friend fish. The bag of little boy think them in a deal with. The whole family my dog extinguished. Scared pass for that and we have it.
So you never say, may I sing your whole song?
Yo, who?
He needs some
Spain
milk.
town say fi squeeze it. None of my friend them finger no lazy.
You skip out too much, brother. You skip out whole heap. I have the above, God bless love.
What?
You know that Alkaline? You know, sell off. Hey, I have the above, God bless love.
God bless love.
Check out my swag, you know when I win.
Curry chicken and wing.
Check out my swag, you know when I win. What? Say up.
Salah.
Curry and kitchen and
Chicken and wing.
yeah, continue.
Mama God.
Okay, you could give me a blind. I said much.
No. Nope.
Chipper than chip.
So why you have to give me the part there?
Alright, chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Something.
Ratty man this. Everything accomplished.
I don't know the last verse of the song.
Yeah. Be a gunman, they are winner.
Give me one next artist.
Tell her.
Yeah.
Go on a container. Anyway, you walk out today, correct?
Chicken and something and the wing.
Alright, check out my swag, you know when you win.
This now we're
You don't know what I'm...
No! You're not so many exclusive. Something.